G'day, here's a parcel of pieces of offcuts, rubs of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. That piece looks like a piece of lightning ridge. It's found its way in there. A piece like this I just cut that into a stone and use the parent material. Maybe get another little stone off the end there. Like I say, there's good and bad with these. Just a large bucket of material I've broken up into small deals. Something like that, cut in half and make two little stones. Literally an offcut there. This is almost a finished little stone by the looks. It's been polished, but quite nice. It's a nice piece of material there. Should cut quite easily into a stone. These other pieces, just offcuts. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.